Hello, ESTA. My name is Faganel from the University of Ljubljana Academy of Music in Slovenia. I'm excited to present The Piano is Too Loud, Acoustical Considerations and Practical Solutions for Performance of Cello-Piano Duo. The conventional remedy for balance issues with string instruments with the piano is to close the piano lid. Where should the cellist sit or the violinist stand? Should the piano be fully opened, semi-opened, or fully closed? What is the string player's role in contributing to a good acoustical balance? In the recent study, we attempted to understand the issue deeper. The study included spectral analysis of the recorded samples and a blind audience survey. Attendees will experience a demonstration of different state setup options, practical guidelines for performers, and pedagogical approaches for teachers based on these findings. The advice is applicable to all bowed string instruments. I look forward to meeting you all in Porto in March.